Hi guys, when you receive the following error when trying to perform a system state backup in Active Directory domain controller server 2012 or 2016, if I am trying to taking a backup, system state backup in Active Directory 2012 server, if I am taking backup, after some time you can see here the backup cancelled and message appear backup failed to complete. None of the items included in backup were backed up. When you see the details, when you see the detail you found backup cancelled message appear. When you see the detail backup cancelled system state backup was cancelled. The error message you can see here the file directory name or volume label syntax is incorrect. If you found such kind of backup error in your server or domain controller machine, let's go to fix this error. After some searching, we found that this is related to VMware tool set incorrect path for the some driver location. To exactly find out which file is causing, use the following commands. Open the CMD command prompt with administrative right. Run as administrator and type here the command shadow space slash capital L space writers.txt. Hit enter and type here the command list writers detail. Hit enter. After a while, this will list all the writers and affected volumes. After completion, exit. Type here exit and go to users cdive where writer.txt file is saved. You can see here the writers.txt file is saved here. Open it and search the culprit file vsock.sys. Open the registry editor with admin right. Type here edit open with administrator and go to HKLM local machine and go to systems. After that go to current control set. Now go to services, expanded services and search here vsock. Yeah, this is the vsock folder and vsock registry folder. Right side you can see here the image path. Double click on the image path. You can see here the path of the image driver path, image path. And then edit string, change here the path like system32 drivers slash vshop. Remove here the system root. See here the remove the system root. Remove it. After the path is string path is capital system 32 slash drivers slash vshop.sys and then apply OK. This is the path. Provide here the path, right? Provide here the actual image value path and apply OK. With all the strings. The image path string and let's go to again taking the backup of Active Directory domain controller. Using the vshop image path string value. After provide correct path of the vshop image path string Let's again try to taking backup of system state in Active Directory domain controls our backup once. Next, custom, next, add items, select your system state, OK, next, backup. After path change, you can see backup is running continuously and backup should be completed successfully. Problem is resolved. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this.